Video game sparkles, the handheld gaming world is evolving faster than ever. From the Steam Deck's huge success to ASUS stepping into the arena with the original ROG Ally, portable PC gaming has become the hottest trend in tech. But now, things are about to get even more exciting. The brand new ASUS ROG Ally 2 is here, and it's not just a small upgrade, it's a complete game changer. With a sleeker design, a jaw-dropping high refresh rate display, Hall-effect joysticks, upgraded cooling, and premium build quality, the Ally 2 is shaping up to be the next-level handheld every gamer has been waiting for. So buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into all the leaks, upgrades, and reasons why the ROG Ally 2 could finally redefine handheld gaming forever. Rocket fire. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The handheld gaming world has exploded in recent years. What was once a niche corner of the gaming industry has now become one of the fastest-growing markets, thanks to devices that put the power of a PC or console in the palm of your hands. Steam Deck made waves by showing that PC gaming on the go could be a reality, and ASUS quickly followed with the ROG Ally, a sleek and powerful handheld that combined Windows flexibility with gamer-focused design. But now, just as the excitement around handheld gaming has reached a fever pitch, ASUS is back with something even bigger, the ROG Ally 2. This isn't just a minor refresh or a small upgrade. Based on early reports, leaks, and insider previews, the ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to be the handheld every gamer has been waiting for, a true next-generation device that could redefine portable gaming entirely. The original ROG Ally impressed gamers with its beautiful design, Xbox-like ergonomics, and powerful AMD Z1 Extreme chip. It was sleek, modern, and offered an experience that felt much more premium compared to the chunky, utilitarian Steam Deck. However, it wasn't perfect. The battery life was limited, the software needed more optimization, and some gamers felt that Windows wasn't always the smoothest operating system for a handheld experience. Still, it was a solid first attempt that made people excited for what ASUS could do next. And now, the ROG Ally 2 is here to address those shortcomings while pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a handheld. When you first look at the ROG Ally 2, the evolution in design is immediately noticeable. ASUS has taken everything that worked in the original model and refined it, while also making bold new choices that give the device a futuristic look. The ROG Ally 2 is slimmer, sleeker, and more comfortable to hold. The curves have been slightly re-engineered for better ergonomics, and the weight distribution has been adjusted so it doesn't feel as top-heavy during long sessions. Gamers who played the first Ally for hours at a time sometimes complained of hand fatigue, but early hands-on impressions suggest that ASUS has solved this problem with the Ally 2. The front of the device is dominated by its upgraded display, a stunning high refresh rate panel that stretches closer to the edges, reducing the bezels and creating a more immersive viewing experience. The first Ally already had a great display with a 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, but the Ally 2 takes things further with what leaks suggest could be either a 144Hz or even 165Hz panel. For handheld gaming, that's massive. Imagine playing competitive shooters like Valorant or Apex Legends with desktop-level refresh rates, but in a portable form. Colors are richer, blacks are deeper, and brightness has been improved, making the screen more usable outdoors.